Jai Hind student, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start whole number part third of class 6. Look at here student, first question is perform the following subtraction, check by your result by the corresponding addition. Clear students? Here 6237 minus 694. Clear student? Firstly subtract. 7 subtracted from 4 we get 3 subtracted from 9 it is not possible, that's why firstly you will take the carry. Clear student? Here 13 subtracted from 9 we get 4. Clear? And here 1 give 1 carry 11 subtracted from 6 we get 5 and here 5. Clear student? This is the first answer. And check your answer by corresponding addition. That's why firstly you will write here answer. Clear बच्चों? यहाँ पे हम क्या राइट करेंगे? आंसर राइट कर देंगे. और जो ये सेकेंड नंबर है मीन दैट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है, हम उसको यहाँ पे प्लस करेंगे और इन दोनों नंबर को अब आप ऐड करो. 4 3 7 9 4 13 कैरी 1 6 5 11 11 1 12 carry again 1 5 1 6. Student, you can see here this part and this part both are equal, that's why our answer is right. Clear? And here give 1 carry 10 subtracted from 7 we get 3 and here 9 subtracted from 8 we get 1 9 subtracted from 9 we get 0 and here 9 subtracted from 8 we get 1 9 subtracted from 7 we get 2. Clear student? 21,013. Clear students? And here you will write answer and the smallest part 7 8 9 8 7. Clear student? And add this number 7 3 10 carry 1 8 plus 1 9 9 1 10 again carry 1 9 1 10 carry 1 8 1 9 9 1 10 again carry 1 7 9 9 1 10. Clear student? This is your answer. You can here see both are equal, that's why your answer is right. And this question number second, replace each star by the correct digit in each of the following. Students, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करने हैं, जो स्टार है वो एक नंबर मिसिंग है, वहाँ पे आपको फेल करने है ना, तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपको माइनस करना है. क्लियर बच्चों? देन हाउ कैन विच नंबर यू विल फिल हियर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? कौन से नंबर आप फिल करेंगे? सपोज हियर वी विल टेक 1 कैरी दैट मीन 70 में से हम कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि यहाँ 8 आ जाएगा, दैट मीन्स 9. अगर हम 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो 17 सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 9 वी गेट 8. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? और यहाँ पे बच्चों क्या बचा? 0. देन यू विल टेक 1 कैरी 10 में से 0 अगर 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमारा कितना हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? 5. क्लियर बच्चों? तो हमारा कितना आ जाएगा बच्चों? 5 हो जाएगा. एंड हियर यू कैन सी 8 में से कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि 5 आएगा, दैट मीन्स 3. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या राइट कर देंगे बच्चों? 3. तो ये हमारा ओरिजिनल आंसर हो जाएगा. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सी दिस क्वेश्चंस 5 0 0 1 0 0 3. Clear? And here some is 2 stars and here 3 stars. Fill these stars. Clear? That means 3 you will take 1 carry 13 subtracted from 7 we get 6. That means here 6. And here 9 subtracted from 8 we get 1. Clear students? And here 9 subtracted from 9 we get 0. And here 10 subtracted from 6 we get 4. Clear students? And here some points also write. And here 9. 9 में से कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? 4 आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट. That means 5. That's why you will write here 5. And here also 9. 9 में से कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? 8 आ जाए. That means 1. And here 4. That's why you will write here 4. Clear student? That means 48440116. Clear student? This is our answer. Clear student? Now I am going to start next questions. See question number 3. Ravi opened his account in a bank by depositing 1,36,000. Next day he withdrew 73,129 from it. How much money was he left in his account? Dear students, firstly you will write money deposited by Ravi. Clear students? 1,36,000 and money withdrawn by Ravi 73,129. Money left in his account. Clear students? That means minus. पहले उसने अपने अकाउंट में इसमें मनी डिपॉजिट की एंड सेकेंड में वो क्या करता है? कुछ अमाउंट निकाल लेता है. दैट मीन्स विड्रॉ कर लेता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? दैट्स वाई एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट यू विल बोथ नंबर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सब्ट्रैक्ट 62,871. This is your answer. Money left in his account is 62,871. And question number 4. Find the whole number n when n plus 4 is equal to 9. That means to transpose that number n, you will write here is equal to and 9 transfer the here plus 4. When we transfer the number 1 left from left to right, then change the symbol. You will write here minus and is equal to 5. And this is the second question. And minus this is equal to that. You will write here and is equal to 1403. Clear students? And this is a plus. That's why you will write it 20,568. 3 plus 8 11 carry 1 6 1 7. 4 plus 5 9 carry 1 and this is 0. 1971. Thank you students.